Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily download MP3 songs using Chrome. So in your device, head over and click on Chrome. Then start searching for an app called Pixabay. So just press enter. Now from here, click on the Pixabay link. Now from Pixabay's official website, head over and switch to music. Now here, if you scroll down, you can see a list of various musics that you can listen to and download. Here, you can see the download button beside each songs. So all you have to do is click on the download button beside the music that you would like to download. If you scroll up, you can see here a search bar where you can search for a specific music. Just type in the title of the music. Just click on the icon of the song to listen to it. And click on the download button to download the MP3 song. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!